Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how to remove or replace the battery on the MOOSOO K17. This vacuum is a really nice one, and it is around since about 1 year. A lot of people bought it and they are pretty happy, like me. I mean, it's our main vacuum at the moment. At home we have 1500 square feet of tiles and it works absolutely awesome. We can do the whole thing with just one load on the battery, but after 1 year usually some, or at least the first people, are getting problems with the batteries. I mean, such a battery can last for a couple of years if you do it really right, charge it properly and so on, but some problems can start and then people want to replace the battery. By the way, a replacement battery is available for about $45 on Amazon. I will put down the link into the description. But the question is, of course, how to remove. I mean, there is something here, but this is just the LED. You can push it a little bit down. I was surprised to feel that we can really push it down, but you better don't do anything. You could destroy the charging LED. So what we do, we just hold it here and we pull, and we just move a little bit left, right, and pull at the same time, and we can pull it out easily. There is some hook here and there is this thing here, and there is nothing to release that. Just move it a little bit and pull, and then, yeah, of course, to put it back same way. I mean, we have this rail here which we have to align, and then just push it in and done. There is nothing to secure. It's usually secured, it shouldn't fall out. So it was not too difficult. But I got a lot of questions lately about how to replace the battery, and I thought it's maybe worth a video because it's definitely a nice vacuum. It's easy to clean, it has a lot of suction power, and it's definitely better to replace the battery than buy a new one because it can hold up for a couple of more years. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, write everything down to the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.